Chain reaction of evils start from desire, tanha or craving. Normal desires one has for survival, but when it becomes intense, it becomes craving. And the chain reaction is formed in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verses 62 and 63. Lord Krishna explains, Dhyayato Visayan Punsaha Sangaste Shobhajayate Sanghat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat Krodho Bijayate क्रोधात भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति सम्मोहात् संगात संजायते काम कामात् क्रोधो बीजायते. The chain reaction starts from the desire. There are 6 vices: kama, krodha, lobha, mada, moha and matsara. Kam is desire. It produces greed. After you have something, you accomplish, you become greedy. Then with greed you build ego that I have something. You become attached to it, and then you create jealousy for somebody who competes with you. And eventually when desires are not fulfilled, it creates anger. So 6 vices are: kama means desires, krodha means anger, lobha means greed, mada means pride or ego, moha means attachment, matsar means hate or envy. Lord Krishna says, other scriptures say, desires could never be fulfilled. Fulfilling desires is like pouring kerosene on top of fire to put the fire out. Fire burns much more. Same way, when you fulfill the desire, you start the chain reaction of greed, ego, attachment and jealousy. And when it is not fulfilled, it produces anger. Lord Krishna says in this, Dhyayato Visayan Puns Sangaste Supajayate. By constant association, by brooding on something, constant stimulation, you get desires. And desires start the chain reaction. Desires grow in the stages. In scriptures they describe, it is like a vasana, spruha, Ichha and Trishna, like beginning of the desire, growing deeper until it becomes yearning, burning desire or craving. Vasana, Spriha, Ichha and Trishna. Everything starts from association. When you become angry because your desires are not fulfilled, Krodha or anger comes. Krodha bhavati sammoha. Sammoha means delusion. When you are angry, you become deluded and you lose the discrimination. You don't think clearly. You say something for which you regret later on, but you don't have control. So Krodhat with sammoha, sammohat smriti vibhramaha, one loses the memory, one loses a discrimination, and sammohat smriti vibhrama smriti branshat buddhi nasho, means it destroys your intellect, you lose the judgment. And when you lose judgment, you lose the clarity of who you are, where you want to go. You choose the path of distraction, it destroys you completely. If greed produces delusion, you become blind. Like people become greedy, and that's why so many salespeople sell them stocks, sell them insurance, because people who are greedy become blind and they can be cheated easily. Same way, if you get a delusion because of other reason, you become partial. So the chain reaction of desire sets up all the vices. So cut off the roots, cut down the desires with understanding to prevent the chain reaction of all the vices, because one brings up the other one, and before long you can get lost. You forget the goal of life, and that is the total destruction. Dying is not the destruction, but going in the wrong direction is the real destruction.